Hello, bonjour, my name is Goldberg, and in this video I'm going to have a quick review about Christian Louboutin heels in Iriza. By the way, the reason I'm wearing a beret is just because I'm feeling very Parisian style after watching Emily in Paris. Oh my god, I loved that season, and I really recommend, if you're into seasons on Netflix, I think I recommend Emily in Paris. It's quite like girly, and I think most of the girls would like the concept and the story. But anyway, yeah, so whilst I was looking for a beret in my wardrobe, I found my Christian Louboutin pumps that I recently purchased, and I thought, like, I'm gonna do a quick video just for any of you guys that you know, are new to Louboutin and they want to purchase their first like pair of heels for Louboutin. I just want to give a couple of facts about Louboutin heels, so you can just consider before investing all your money into these heels. So I bought this is probably, I have a couple of Louboutin heels. This is my very recent one. I purchased last September, so like September 2020. Bought them from Selfridges for £550, which is probably like around like $800 so still is the same price. Louboutin, I don't think like Louboutin heels, they ever really go on sale much. They're kind of like the same price all around the world. So the pair that I have is Iriza. So for any of you guys that you don't know, Louboutin has a few classic styles like Pigalle, Kate, So Kate. This is Iriza. The difference between Iriza, let me come closer a little bit. So the difference between Iriza and So Kate is that I mean, from this side, as you can see, the silhouette is quite like a pointy style, like a lovely shoe, but then this side it has an open cut. So as you can see, Iriza has an open side, open cut inside of it. So the reason for this is to give a little bit more comfort comparing to Kate or So Kate, because as you can see, there is like an extra room here for the toes, so it's supposed to be slightly more comfortable, which it is, because I do have a pair of So Kate as well. I got it a couple of years ago and I wore it, like, it's completely destroyed right now, but I think Iriza is slightly more comfortable than Kate or So Kate or Pigalle, just because of this open cut, but still is not a comfortable heel. That is one of the facts that I want to tell you guys. I am a pro in wearing heels. I wear heels all the time because I'm quite short, so I wear heels to work, to just go shopping, to everywhere I wear heels. So I'm very confident in walking with heels, but with these are not comfortable. Like, they are nice, they're good maybe for like 15-20 minutes walking, or an hour maximum. Or it's nice to like wear it, sit in a taxi, go to a nice restaurant or bar and come back. Like, if you want to walk around with it, if you want to stand on your feet for a couple of hours, no, these are like extremely difficult to keep. So this is the main reason I want to tell you guys, Louboutin shoes are not designed for comfort, are mainly, they're luxury. You're just wearing them just because they're Louboutins, that's it really. They're not a pair of like sneakers or anything, they're just like there, and they're not comfortable. So if anyone says Louboutin shoes are comfortable, trust me, they're not. None of them. Like, this is supposed to be the most comfortable one with the open cut. For me, it is doable. Like, definitely it's doable, especially if you're a pro with wearing heels. It's fine, you can handle it, but it's not a very comfortable pair of heels. So that's one of the factors to consider. And the other factor is that the red sole on the heels will wear off straight away, like after just once use. So this is mine after like 3 times use. I don't know if you can see. I wore this shoe like 3 times, and then the other one as well is probably a little bit worse. So I wore this shoe 3 times. I actually walked on the tarmac like a lot with it and just wore off, same as my other pairs. So I don't mind. I like to have the cheap Louboutins because it's a pair of shoe. Like they haven't designed to last forever. It's a shoe and will wear off. The more you use it, it will wear off. And it states on Louboutin website as well that the sole will come off, will wear off, and you can have a sole protector, or you can take it to the Louboutin stores. They will resell them for you, which is gonna cost like, I don't know, £200 probably. I don't know. I'm not bothered because they are wearable. You can wear them, and I'm happy to have some chips on here, because this shows that obviously I'm wearing the heels, and it's not there for a statue. This is a shoe and it will wear off. So I'm not bothered to have a sole protector, or I've seen a lot of like DIY how to like restore and sort out your cheap Louboutins. I won't really be bothered doing those stuff because I don't think it's worth it. Like, it's a shoe, and Louboutin says that, you know, everywhere you go you leave a story behind you, so like why do you want to like cover it? And everyone will notice that you have a sole protector on. It's not really, if people can notice this, can notice the sole protector as well. So I'm not really bothered about sole protection. Just wanted to like tell you guys that if you are worried that I've spent like £600 on a pair of heels and it's gonna look like this, yes, straight away after just first time use, if you walk on a tarmac just a couple of hours, it will wear off. There's nothing you can do about it unless you buy a sole protector, and you have to have the sole protector before you really like start using it, or you can take it to resale and whatever, which I'm not bothered. If I want to spend to resale, I would just save and buy a new pair of shoes. So that was another fact to consider, you know. For some people, again, you know, it's a personal opinion. As I said, I'm not bothered with the cheap shoes. Some people, oh god, my cat. Some people they want to have them nice and clean always, and it's just some facts to consider really before investing your money into Louboutins. And regarding sizing, I think they come into true sizing. Like, I'm a size 5, this is a size 5, and it perfectly fits. So I don't think you need to go with a slightly bigger size, but probably if you have wider feet, I would recommend Iriza. It's slightly more comfortable. You have a little bit more room in here, and I think it is nice. Or the other one is Socate, that I love. If you're going for the look, Socate, I think it's amazing. It's so pretty. Or Kate or Pigalle, I think all of them. You know, as I said, I'm a big fan of Louboutin, but there are some cons to this brand. The problem is that you are paying for the brand. Like, you pay the money you pay, you are wearing Louboutins. You're not wearing an ordinary pair of heels, so you're just wearing Louboutins, and it's just that feeling that you're wearing a really lovely luxury designer shoe. It's nice to spend that much money on it. In my opinion, I would say that Louboutin is overpriced. I think it is overpriced. Like, don't get me wrong, I love the brand, I love these shoes. I wish I could afford to have all the designs, all the shoe designs and all the collection. I wish I could afford to have. However, basically, if budget is not a problem for you, they are amazing and they're just great shoes to own. If you know, if you're on budget, then I would say it's nice to own at least like one pair of Louboutins, even if just like once in your lifetime. It's nice to experience it. It's nice to have the authentic Louboutin with the red bottoms. It's nice to have one of these either in black or nude, which is like the classic ones. I would recommend like investing in one pair of good authentic Louboutin shoes, the designs that you like. Probably the classic ones like Pigalle, Kate, Socate, and Iriza. And if you want to, then like you can decide if you're interested to purchase any more. If you want to, you know, invest more into Louboutins, then you can decide. But I think it's nice to own at least one pair of Louboutin heels. And then obviously, as I said, you can decide what you want to do with them, with your next one. If you want to protect it, if you want to have the sole protector on, if you want to resole it, if you want to do whatever, at least you know like literally like what to do. But yeah, that's my opinion. Like I would recommend, like if you are interested in Louboutin heels, then it's absolutely, I'm not saying like it's essential, but like it's nice to have one, have like nice pair of Louboutin heels. And then afterwards, in my opinion, it's quite like overpriced. Once you have like 1 or 2 Louboutin heels, I don't think like it's that exciting to like keep purchasing, unless like you have a lot of money, then you're not really that bothered. You can, if I had a lot of money, I would buy Louboutin once a month. But if you just like want to just try it, I would say go with the classic designs, the one that you feel most comfortable with. Probably either in black or nude, which is again more classic, and then you can decide if you're interested to invest more money in Louboutins, or you're just gonna say no goodbye to Louboutins forever because like they're overpriced or whatever. But yeah, and they're not comfortable. I just wanted to do this quick video. Hope it's helpful. And yeah, if you're interested, subscribe and let me know your opinion, because I'm still very new to YouTube. I just post random lifestyle videos like unboxing or comparing different things. And by the way, I just came back from holiday as well. I know it was like lockdown, but like we managed to get away to St. Lucia. I just uploaded a couple of like short videos as well. If you're interested, you can watch them. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.